Metro Tower, Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra on the visual for 3 right.
Cutlass 107 Tango Sierra, Metro Tower, runway 3 right, clear to land.
3 right, clear to land. 107 Tango Sierra.
Cutlass 7 Tango Sierra, where are you parking?
I'm going to Signature.
Thank you.
I've just been cleared into Detroit Metro Airport, the big, I think it's the 20th largest in the country. And I'm speeding this up because nothing happens for a while. Hope you enjoy the ride in. It's a fun airport.
JetBlue 1037, turn left at Victor, cross runway 3 left, and contact ground 0.8.
Victor, cross runway 3 left, 0.8 on the other side, JetBlue 1037.
Okay, we're on the Vasi. And let's slow this plane way down. There we go. Gears coming down. On the Vasi, a little high. Okay, we're going to pull some more.
I was following an Embraer 175 most of the way in, and I know I've got something big behind me.
Metro Tower, Endeavor 5281 on the visual, 3 right, going to be parking gate Bravo 4.
5281, Wichita 10107, runway 3 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 3 right, Endeavor 5281.
Gears down. Mixture rich, prop full forward.
And I'm on 3 right, so that guy is following me in.
Flaps all the way in. Pull it down to 12 inches.
Okay, let's start looking down the runway. Down the runway. So I get my perspective right in this little plane. Down the runway. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Put it down right there.
That worked.
Okay, I've got 4-flight open so I can get taxi instructions. I imagine I'll be going off to the left and heading over towards Mike.
7 Tango Sierra, turn left at Whiskey 3, and then Papa 3, hold short of runway 3 left.
Whiskey 3 to Papa 3, hold short of 3 left. 7 Tango Sierra.
You always read back your taxi instructions and emphasize that you're reading back where you're holding short. I don't have instructions all the way. I have instructions to go to Papa 3 and hold short of 3 left, which is the takeoff runway right now.
Tango Sierra, turn right, taxi on 3 left, and I'll call your exit.
Taxi on 3 left, and you'll call my exit?
7 Tango Sierra, that's all correct.
Yeah, so I'm now going to taxi on an active runway, which normally doesn't happen a whole lot, which is why I had the question mark in my voice. So now I'm turning on to runway 3 left. Up ahead on the left is Signature Flight Support, who is the FBO here at Detroit Metro. I think I saw a very large Ukrainian freighter.
Well, this is a fun taxi, isn't it?
7 Tango Sierra, exit left turn at Victor, then right turn on Mike, taxi to signature.
Left on Victor, then right on Mike to signature. 7 Tango Sierra.
So Victor is the taxiway on the east side of the perpendicular runway. So as soon as I cross the runway, I will head left over to Victor. And Mike is the north taxiway that parallels 3 left. This is a big taxiway because this is where the big jets come out and taxi down to take off on 3 left. I'm guessing he had me taxi on the runway so that he could keep Mike available for airliners coming out of the terminal and heading up to take off on 3 left.
They're 5281 southbound on Whiskey, contact ground point 8.
Southbound on Whiskey, and then can you say that frequency one more time? Sorry.
The 5281 ground 121.8.
Ground 121.8. Thanks, Endeavor 4281. 5281.
Let me speed this up a little bit too, so we can get down here and get this plane tied down for the night. There we go, it's primarily jets. But whenever I fly into these big airports, it is primarily jets. So there's the marshal coming out to let me know where I'm supposed to park. And there was some sort of private airliner that's behind me. But then we're at the airport that probably serves General Motors and Ford and any other auto company that's still here.
Spirit Wing 1452 on the visual 3 right.
Spirit 1452, much tower, wind 36010, gust.
Here we go. We're done with this. We've made it.
Spirit Wing 1452.
Thanks for flying in with me. I hope you'll like and subscribe the video. Come back and see the departure video. And take a look at the videos from Nashville and Atlanta that I also made this month. Have a great day.